We continue our data cleaning, and in this lecture we focus on text or string data, and we have a couple of string columns in our data set, as we can see here. And first of all, let's have a look at the column original language, and we can do this with value counts. So the 50 most frequent languages, and it's no surprise that by far the most popular or most frequent language is English. Then we have French and Italian. So everything seems to be reasonable here. We also have some missing values. And now let's go on with the title column. And here we have the title of the movies. And also here we use the value counts. And it's actually not an error to have duplicates in the title column. So for instance, for Cinderella or for Alice in Wonderland. So typically these are remakes. And also in this column, at a first glance, we do not find anything suspicious. And therefore, let's go on with the overview column. And here we have a short summary on the movie. So let's have a look at Toy Story. And again, we use value counts to have a deeper analysis. And obviously we have almost 1000 missing values. And indeed now we have found some unclean data. So instead of having missing values, we have no overview found, no overview, no movie overview available, and so on. And we should definitely replace these strings here by missing values. And let's replace no overview found, no overview, no movie overview available. And let's again have a look. And obviously here we have another problem. So either we have a white space or we have an empty string. And if we analyze this further, we find out that this is a white space. And also we have to replace this and replace it with a missing value. And finally, somewhere else, we have no overview yet. And let's have a final inspection here. So now it makes more sense. We have over 1000 missing values. And finally, let's have a look at the tagline column. And here we have over 25,000 missing values. And actually here we can see a dash or a minus. And this definitely indicates missing values. So let's replace that with np.nan. And now our dataset is a little bit cleaner. All right, thanks for watching, and see you also in the next lecture. Bye.